Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel not responding and frequent Excel freeze issues. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Microsoft Excel not responding using 7 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome Excel crashing or not responding issues. Solution 2. Open Excel in safe mode. Sometimes opening the Excel in safe mode is enough for solving the issue. So, let's try this method. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 3. Update Windows and Office updates. Excel not responding issue might occur if Windows and MS Office are not up to date. So, install the latest updates for both Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office. To do so, go to Settings. Click Windows Update. Click Advanced Options and toggle all the switches. This will automatically download and install Windows updates and other Microsoft products. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in Excel tool that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel workbook and solve crashing problem. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the file. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause issues when working on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 6. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to the Excel is not responding issue. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 7. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Microsoft Excel not responding or crashing, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about Microsoft Excel not responding. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.